Sorry, I'm just opening a pop. Hello, 8th grade science. These are the directions for the modern day dinosaur introduction assignment. So make sure, again, that you've done the Pear Deck and the notes and your CFA at some point, your bell work. I know there's a lot going on, but this is our last thing of the week. So you're going to find this assignment on Google Classroom. These modern day dinosaur assignments are, I think, most always going to be on slides. And so we have our kind of cover page here, and then the second slide of all of these types of assignments, but this one is our debatable question. And the debatable question for these assignments, for this unit really, is, are birds modern day dinosaurs? Do you think that birds are related to ancient dinosaurs? And that's kind of what we're going to be really investigating in this particular assignment. And then we'll kind of touch back on that idea throughout the rest of the series of assignments each week. So on slide 3, this is the first thing you got to type on. You're going to basically tell me what you think, right? What are your initial thoughts? Are birds modern day dinosaurs? Do you agree with that or disagree? And then because. So kind of finish out that statement. And then this is just kind of a same thing I've been talking about. For the rest of this unit, we're going to explore that question or that idea. You're going to be researching, exploring, defending your position, right? You're kind of making a claim, so to speak, right now with this. And then you're going to be determining, using some evidence to support your claim as you kind of learn about different things. So if we go to slide 5, before we begin, you're just to tell me some of your initial thoughts. Kind of what are you thinking right now? Do you think that could be true? Why or why not? Just really elaborate on the claim that you made on slide 3. So this has to be one sentence. That's your official stance right now. Just kind of explain your thinking on this slide. When you go to the next one, think about what kind of things do I need to know about dinosaurs in order to figure out if they are or are not related to birds. So depending on your position, let's say I think that birds are related to dinosaurs. Well, what do I need to know about dinosaurs to prove that? I probably got to figure out, maybe I got to know some dinosaur DNA, and I could look at the DNA of dinosaurs and birds. Maybe I got to figure out, how did dinosaurs have babies? Is that the same way that birds have babies? If they're similar, that could be a connection. Maybe I got to talk about some of the bones, right? I got to know the bones of a dinosaur, those similar to birds. So try and think about what kind of evidence, what things would I need to know about dinosaurs to kind of support whatever my statement was. Now, if you're not, let's say you don't think that they're related, you could really know a lot of the same things, and then hopefully they just wouldn't align up versus align. So you might want to still know the dinosaur's bones and see if those are the same as birds, because then if they're not, that would support your claim that they're not related. Make sense? I'm going to ask you the same question, but this case about birds. What do I need to know about birds in order to figure out if they're related or not? And again, you can probably use what you put about dinosaurs, same about birds. I might want to know what the bird's bones are. I might want to know how birds reproduce. Different things about that. Maybe what they eat. I don't know. Just throwing things out there. And then the last one here is, how do you think the theory of birds being descended from dinosaurs relates to this unit? Again, these are just kind of your own thoughts or opinions. Now we're going to do a little bit of research. So what you're going to do, there's 3 different sources here. Well, 2, I should say. You got to find your own. And these are just articles. You can do the open and preview if you'd like. But they're different articles that we found to kind of start getting you thinking about if they are related or not. So you're going to read the article, summarize your findings in a couple sentences. What did that article talk about? Find your own. Make sure you link that on there. And then the very last slide is kind of your official claim. So going back to the very first thing you type, slide 3, this is kind of your initial claim, and now this is your final claim. So given what you probably learned about, there's one more. Given what you learned about in your research part, you might change your idea. You might have found, given what you read, that they are related, or you might still kind of stick to your guns and say they're not, depending on what evidence you looked at. So you're going to kind of finish out your official claim, maybe talk about some of the things that you read, some evidence. And then the last thing is just reflect. Did you change your opinion on slide 3 to slide 11 or not? And that's it. I know this is a longer assignment. That's why there's only 3 this week. And if you look at our website here, the tree of life should be fairly easy. So I know this is a little bit bigger, but hopefully you'll be able to finish that. And remember, that will be your first performance grade for this unit, because all those modern day dinosaur ones, at least for me, will be performance grades. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.